Hi, this is Jamie for GearBest. Very psyched to see you all again, very frequently recently. So today I've got this Ulefone S9 new arrival again at GearBest.com here with me. This is another engineering manufacturer product given by our suppliers, so I don't have the box with me. If you do make a purchase, the box comes in with the screen protector, the socket, and the cable. So speaking of this Ulefone S9, as you might see here, the font does share, might recollect some memories of, needless to say, but then yeah. So what is worth to mention for this one is actually under $100. It's a very nice budget phone given the specs wise and everything. So before we actually run into tests on its facial recognition and also fingerprint recognition, I'm gonna go through some simple specs that is already displayed here on the screen protector. So let's get into specs. It's a supposedly 18:9 ratio all screen. I'm gonna unlock it, light the screen up. As you can see it here, it's not really a full screen. Close to bezel-less, but it's not really, but it's good enough. It's a dual rear camera, 13 megapixel plus 5. And 5.5-inch Full HD screen at 1440 by 720 resolution. 3,300 milliamps of battery. It's actually a very slim phone, so I'm actually very satisfied by the battery capacity here. MediaTek octa-core processor, face unlock and fingerprint recognition, as I mentioned before, which I'm going to test it out later. And 2 gigs of RAM plus 16 gigs of storage. That might sound a little bit too small for like our recent usage for photo qualities and everything, but you can actually expand it to 128 gigs with a TF card extra. So which is pretty neat. 128 gigs should be sufficient for most of us, for at least. And it's powered by the very up-to-date Android 8.1 system, which is very, very neat. So that's pretty much it for the specs, which is already covered on the screen protector, which I was doing is merely just reading off the script. So I'm gonna remove the screen protector now and actually get into testing this phone. So before I actually unlock this phone, there's one thing that I would really like to mention that I think is a really nice touch that Ulefone S9 is providing with us. Ulefone actually put in a very nice thought inside, put in a very special texture on this lock screen button, just in case you keep pressing on the wrong button using volume up and down as a lock screen, which is pretty nice. So moving on, I'm gonna test out the face recognition right here with me. It's already pre-registered. I really like to see how it works out because after I actually registered it, I never really tried it. So we can actually try it together for the first time, see how this 99 under $100 phone working on my facial recognition thing. As you can see, the screen is off. I'm gonna light it up and try swipe up. There you go. It's very, very fast. Also, very nice touch, very fast response. I'm actually very, very impressed. So after this, I didn't really mention the specs for the front camera because I'm actually gonna test it out right here by taking a selfie, see how clear it is, how much of my flaws that it's gonna show on this phone after me taking a selfie. So there you go. I hate to admit that I actually look like this and I actually have so many flaws on my face, but it does shows very clearly again. It's a very nice front camera and also it focuses real fast. You don't really need to wait, you just need to press the button and it's done, like instantaneously, which is nice. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the testing area. I do have a little something very special. I think it's really worth mentioning again. This phone, Ulefone S9, is under $100 at its regular price at GearBest.com. If you're lucky enough to get it on sale, if you got coupons for this, you might get it for even a little bit cheaper than that. It's a really nice bargain Ulefone is providing us with. You can use it as your priority phone or even as your secondary phone. This one is very nice, got huge battery, consider like its screen size, resolution, specs and everything. It got really up-to-date Android 8.1 system. Everything just comes together really well. According to its price, I really don't think you could actually look for any better phone or any phone that's so well balanced out at this really nice pricing. So that's pretty much it for today's Ulefone S9 Pro. Like and subscribe to our channel. This is Jamie. I'll see you next time.